Hi parents, today I'm going to be showing you how third graders use the area model to represent and solve multiplication problems. So let's say that our third graders wanted to solve 3 times 5, and they were trying to figure out what that answer was and how to represent it. Now we can say 3 times 5 in a couple of different ways. We can say 3 groups of 5, or 3 rows of 5, or 3 times 5. And I can represent on this geoboard that I have here. You can use a regular piece of paper, or grid paper is really useful as well. So I'm going to begin with my first factor, which is 3. And I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3 right here on my geoboard. And this is going to represent my rows. So I have 3 rows that are starting that direction. And then I'm going to take my second factor, which is 5, and those are going to represent my columns. So along the top, I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this will represent my second factor along the top. Okay, so it's also the width of my rectangle times the length of my rectangle. And I can close up the rest, and it makes a rectangle like that. So now to figure out my product or my answer, I can count each square that I'm about to make. So I'm going to draw my line to make my 3 rows and draw my line to make my 5 columns. And now I've got these squares inside this rectangle. And now I'm going to figure out the area by counting. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So the area of that rectangle is 15. 3 times 5 equals 15, and that would be my product. Hope this helps.